you, Lindsay. And then she got me a really, really adorable picture book. Remember in the old days they had photographs, books that you stick your pictures in? Well, that's what she got me. And she's sending me pictures of my grandbabies. She has 4 children. Henry, Cash, Gus, and Nola. And y'all know about Nola because I just got back from meeting her for the first time. She's about 2 months old now. 2 months and what is today? 2 months and 4 days old. Anyway, so Lindsay said she's sending me pictures to gonna send me more pictures to fill up my book, so that, because there's not a lot of wall space in an RV. So she said I can fill my picture book up with pictures of the babies and take them with me in my travels. So that was really sweet. And she sent me this, which is a real cozy blanket. Actually, well, yeah, it's a blanket, but it's a poncho type thing. Isn't that cool? And it's so cozy. I love, love, love it. My mom, she got me this really neat, you know how when you go to, what is it, Applebee's, and you order it's like a cast iron pan, and it's all sizzly, and they put like a quesadilla dinner or something in it, and you can hear it sizzling, and it's on a wooden tray. My mom got me one, which, I was really surprised because I have one on my Amazon wish list. I have a lot of stuff on my Amazon wish list. But I didn't order the one I found because it didn't have the wood tray, and I want that, especially in the RV. My mama got it for me. Right on, Mom. Anyway, I was thrilled about that. And my brother, Rick, thank you, got me a Starbucks gift card. And my son also, let me get up here. My son also, and his wife, Solana, Eric and Solana, thank you, got me a gift card from Starbucks. Yeah. I haven't been to Starbucks in a long time, but yeah, that was nice. Got a couple of nice cards. It's dark in here. Got every light on as possible. Didn't do bad for staying home on my birthday. The pizza was great. The French press coffee brew thing that Christina got me is fantastic and easy to use. Yeah, I've been making another Afghan. This is it right here. That light back on. There we go. Yeah, so just got started. It's one of those zigzag ones. I remember my mom making one of these when I was little, and I thought, how does she make it crisscross like that, or going, those shapes? Well, I learned. So that's what I've been working on, and I made that hat. Well, I think I showed you before. I made that hat for my husband when he went on his last hunting trip. It's pretty warm. What else is going on? Not a whole lot physically, actually. My hip's kind of hurting today, but oh well. Now I'm going to ask you for some help. I was staying out here. I look around and I think, God, this RV on the inside is so boring. I don't know if it needs paint. I mean, everything's white. The walls, well, not the floor, the walls, the cabinets, everything's white. There's just no pop to it. There's no sparkle. There's no happy. There's no, yeah, it's clean. Yeah, it's white. It's semi-organized. I've got a lot more organizing to do. But, I was thinking, okay, maybe this area, I could paint it gray. Well, gray's still kind of boring. I need some ideas. I love color, but I'm scared of it. I guess I'm scared of making that commitment, which I could always paint over it if I don't like it. I know that. I do have some sheer curtains. I think one is kind of an orange, and I've got a green. There's a blue one. I think there's a red one, maybe a yellow one. Was that 5 different colors? Where do I put them? You know, and then there's the, let me turn you around here. Then there's the colors in that curtain that I have across the bathroom. You know, do I want to go with that? I don't know. Anyway, if you have an idea, something you want to throw out there for me to consider and think about, that'd be great. I could use some suggestions, some input, so put them down there for me, please. I do have, and I don't know where they are right now, a box of LED lights that I want to put up somewhere in here. I don't know where though. And they're not 110 or 220, 110. They're not 12 volt. They plug into a regular house outlet. So, you know, I gotta get solar. I gotta start selling some stuff so I can afford to get solar. I don't even know anything about solar. I know you have to have the panels, and they've got numbers that go with them. And I don't know if it's there's a box that does something that I don't understand any of it. Let's just put it that way. But I need solar because I don't want to have my arm twisted to always go to an RV park. I want to go out and be alone sometimes. Camp by a river. You know, I've always wanted to go out to Pismo Beach and camp on the beach, you know. But I can't do that without solar.